Use this exact strategy to start making money online. If you have been nursing this idea that you want to go into the online space and you want to start making money and you really don't know how to get started, then this is a perfect guide. It's 100% guide for you as a beginner. On this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can start earning online, a guaranteed way that you can use, right? Although there might be some disclaimer to it if you are not serious, but if you're really serious, then this is a perfect guide for you. I'm going to be showing you everything from A to Z, from start to finish. So all you just need to get started firstly is just a smartphone. Yes, a smartphone is all you actually need to get started. So if you have a smartphone and you're watching this video, then you are ready to go. So now what I want to show you here is very simple to do. If you can follow through from A to Z, if you can just follow through, you will get results. You will start getting result. So this kind of business is actually called selling ebooks online, where you create an ebook from what you know or know how to do and start selling it to your audience on either Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. You create a simple guide from what you actually know or know how to do and start selling it to people. You don't need to crack your brain to write anything, or you don't need to just spend days trying to create an ebook. I'm going to show you a very simple format and a model you can leverage right away to get result. Right, so the first thing we need to do now is to go to Grok. All right, so this is it here. You can use any other chatbot like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or Claude, or whichever chatbot you want to use, but we are going to be using Grok for the sake of this tutorial. So just go to either Play Store or Apple Store and download this particular app here. It's called Grok. Right, it's an AI chatbot, so we are going to be using it to brainstorm and structure our content. Now what we're going to do is to give it a prompt. So I already have a prompt. I'm just going to paste it here. All right, so this is what the prompt says. Let's see if we can read it. All right, now I say act like a professional ebook creator with with years of experience. I want to create a detailed ebook on simple hack to make money online. So you can put your own topic there. Remember we said that earlier that the ebook is about what you know or know how to do. So if you know how to bake a cake, you can say I want to create a detailed ebook on how to bake a cake. I want to create an ebook on how to help men last long in bed or whatever, depending on your niche or your expertise. Okay, so I say I want to create a detailed ebook on simple hack to make money online. These are what I want you to do. Give it a well structured and persuasive title that will trigger people to want to buy and read it. So if you want to read through this thing, is very long. So if you need this exact prompt that I use, if you actually need this exact prompt that I use, just comment in the comment section of this video that I need it, and I'll be sending you this prompt exactly the way it is written, and even well or even more optimized than this. Okay, so if you need this exact prompt, just comment in the comment section of this video that I need this prompt, and I'll be sending it to you. So once you've typed your prompt, you just send it. You send it. Right, let's wait for it to load. All right, so just scroll up a little so you see book title: effortless cash flow, simple online hack to turn your spare time into serious income. This is a very persuasive title for this ebook. All right, so if you put yours, it will give you a very persuasive title for your own ebook: effortless cash flow, simple online hack to turn your spare time into serious income, no experience required. All right, so ebook structures and content. Now chapter 1, introduction to online money. This is very powerful. All right, chapter 2, choosing your first simple hack page. This is very powerful. 31. Remember on the prompt I said the ebook should not be more than 250 pages. So carefully this AI is actually crafting it to fit my prompt. Now chapter 3, setting up your online foundation. I also gave it that they should make it not more than 6 chapters. Right, okay. Chapter 5, scaling up. Okay, so this is it. Everything is well designed. Now we are going to ask it now to now I want you to start writing this ebook from introduction to the finishing. All right, finishing chapter. Let's see, but first start with a detailed introduction. All right, so we're going to use this for now. Then just tap on send. So we want the AI to come up with a very detailed introduction for the ebook. Effortless cash flow, simple online hack to turn. Okay, so this is the introduction here. It's too long. The introduction is too long. Let's say make it not more than, let's say 300 words. 300 words. So if you really understand how to prompt AI, then this will not be a difficult task for you. So whatever you want the AI to do for you, that is what you will just type in and it will do it for you. All right, so we've reduced it to 200, not more than 200, 300 words actually. Now say welcome to effortless cash flow. Right now in Port Harcourt or anywhere with internet you can start any. So this is a well detailed introduction. Then now we can say continue with chapter 1. Make it more detailed and well structured. Let's say use simple words. Depending on your audience, you are designed to target. So use simple words and make it more clearer. Tap on that. So we are starting now with chapter 1. Now, so this is chapter 1. All right, so this is actually chapter 1. This is long, okay, but we can just manage it because it's not all that too long. So the next thing you just have to do now, once you've gotten your chapters or you've gotten your introduction and you're ready to go, you just tap on this copy icon here. You tap on copy icon. So you start first with the introduction. All right, you start first with the introduction. So once you've copied it, now this is a tool you actually need to start creating, or that you can use to create an ebook, and it's free to use, 100% free to use. You just go to doc. This is it here. You go to Play Store and download Google Doc. It's actually spelled doc. You can use it to create a simple free ebook with your smartphone. Right, like I often tell my students that if you know how to use Microsoft Word, you can actually use this tool. So once you've downloaded it, you've signed up, you just have to tap on this plus icon here. Now it will show you choose template or choose new document. I always recommend choose new document. All right, so once you've chosen your new, this is a blank page. So from here you can actually start creating whatever you want to create. So you just have to, what you've copied from a Grok or any chatbot you used, you just tap, it will appear here simply. Very simple to do. Then you start doing your editing and everything. All right, you start doing your editing and everything. So I'm just going to show you how to run through few of the editing processes. Like I said, if you are conversant with Microsoft Word, then this tool will not be that hard for you. So this is chapter 1. This is chapter 1. You just tap on this icon here. You can see here you can format your text. You can choose your font style. That's a font style. You can increase the size. Now remember, before you can work on any character on this, you must make sure it's highlighted. You make it bold. You can decide to put it on center alignment. Decide to give it a color. Where is color? So that we give it a color, text color. You choose a color for it. You choose a color, so we are giving it blue. All right, so if you watch, the thing has changed, but normally it will be black. So know the kind of colors you're using. All right, so this is it. We've changed the chapter. So you can decide to increase the size of the text. if you want to, the same process. Then now if you want to add image, let me be fast so that this video won't be too long. If you want to add image, you tap on the plus icon here. You can add image. Maybe you want to add your how do they call it, if you want to add your cover photo, not your cover photo, your ebook cover. All right, you want to add your ebook cover, you can just go design it on Canva and you just tap on it and put it up here. All right, so that's it. So once you've done creating, you just tap on this check mark here. You give it a title. You give it a title. Add the title of our ebook. You just go to where it says rename. You give it a title. Let's just use our ebook as a title. Our ebook as our ebook, that's the title. We don't rename it. Then once you're done with it, you just tap on this option here, download, and it will be downloaded to your file manager. All right, so that's the second step, actually not the first step. Now the next thing here, which is very fundamental also now, is to create a payment gateway for this your ebook. A payment gateway for this your ebook. So you're going to host it on a platform where people can be able to access it once they buy it. All you just have to do is, if someone wants to buy the book, just to send them the link and they click on it, and they'll be redirected to where they'll buy it. And once they buy it, or once they make payment, they'll get access to the book. So we're going to be using this tool for that. It's called SalesStack. Very simple and powerful tool. You tap on it. Right, let's wait for it to load, please. All right, say launch your online store, sell smarter, and so on. All right, so this is it. So you just have to create an account. Okay, you just have to create an account. Since I have an account on this platform, I'm just going to log in. Let me log in. Why is it showing like this? Let me log in. Not now. This way I've branded this jar. Okay, can you add a payment method to continue using your? Wow, this way I've added payment method. So the platform is no more free again. No. Wow. Let's start Premium 10. This platform used to be free completely, so they have added payments premium plan to it. All right, so but since you are starting as a beginner, you can start for free. All right, but if you think you can use it, there are other options you can use. Let me show you. This option is also simple to use. Where is in this Chrome? So you just go to this platform called seller.co. Have they changed it to .com? Let me just see. Seller. Okay, they've changed it to .com. All right, so once you're here, you just sign up. You sign up here. If I want to sign up, it will take too much time, so I don't want this video to be too long, just like that. All right, so you just have to sign up. Once you sign up, you can actually use this platform to host your ebook. It's very simple to do. Very, very simple to do. So use this platform to host your ebook, to collect payment from anywhere in the world. This is very powerful. Let me see if I can remember to okay, let me just use my Google account to log in. I want to show you everything step by step so that you understand, but if you cannot, we are proceeding to the next step. How do you plan to use Seller? Okay, I am a creator. I'm an affiliate marketer. I'm a customer. Let's use I'm a creator. Okay. This will take time. Mail. Let's just use set this contact for internal communication. Let's use so you use your country code depending on where you are residing. How do you hear about us? Just say YouTube, save it. You don't have any product yet. Alright, so we've just created an account, which is very simple to do. If you watch the procedure, it's very simple. It didn't take us up to even 5 minutes. We are done with that. So once you're done creating your account, just tap on plus icon here. Alright, so here set up your blank details. This is where you're going to add your your bank details. Actually, this is where you're going to add your bank details, but you have to also verify your email. So the email you're going to be using for these are going to send you a code. Just go there, tap on it, and you open it. Now after then you come here, you add your bank details. Let me just see if I can yes, let's use this one. Verify. Right, continue. So we've added our bank details. So the next thing we have to do now is just to add our product. So I just want to show you the procedures to do that. Now select a product type. We are adding a digital product. So the rest one here, the other ones here are not our business. So our focus is digital product. So we just tap on it. All right. So you tap on next. Wait for it to load. All right. So here is where you add your product details, product description, and everything. You put in a sell. Let's just use our tutorial for the sake of this video, or our ebook like we did the previous one. Then you put your price tag. How much are you selling this product? Let's say you're selling it for 5,000 per unit. 5,000 per unit. Right, so you add a well-detailed description. So if you don't know how to write description, you can go to that chatbot that you used to create the ebook. Once you're done with it, just type write me a detailed description that will help me sell this ebook. Once you're given, you just copy it and paste here. This ebook, let's just use something. This ebook will help you. All right, so this thing is getting too long. Let's be fast a little. Category, let's say business, depending on your niche. So you choose your own category. Subcategory, we're going to use this one. This product has multiple variants, like different tiers, packages. Leave it there. Product type, digital product, pre-order. If it's a pre-order, you tap on it. If not, we just pull it out. Then this is where you upload the ebook. All right, so once someone makes payment, he or she will be redirected directly to collect the book without even seeing you or even asking you for anything. So the maximum file size is 750 MB. So you note that when creating your ebook, make sure you don't put too much file that will increase the size of the ebook. So if it is that, now to upload it, if it is a downloadable file, you tap on this one here. If it is a read-only online file, you tap on this one. So if you don't want people to download it, just tap it here. But if you want them to read it online, you tap on this one. All right, so let's see, downloadable file. Now if you upload, I don't want to talk about that, so let's just leave it. So the next thing you have to do now is just to tap here. You will be taken to your file where you have to just tap on the ebook and you upload it on this this platform. Okay, so just want to save time. So once you're done with that, you just tap on create product and your product will be created. So the next thing you have to do now, once you're done creating, is to start marketing that product. You can go to your Facebook account. That is simple to do and start talking about it. Start talking about it, creating content around that your product, and start marketing the hell out of it. And once you're done with not even done, continuous and serious marketing will help you push your business and help you get people who will be very much interested to learn about. So coming up with content idea can be very complex. So just go to either Grok or any chatbot you're using and ask it to come up with 30 content ideas around what you're doing that educates, that informs people, that position you as a trusted authority or a go-to area. Once it come up with it, just be copying and be pasting it, be copying, and you don't have to crack your brain to come up with content idea. And once you create any content, make sure you always put the link to that your product maybe in the comment section. Have a clear call to action that will direct people to that your link in the comment section. That is a perfect hack. And with that, with consistency, you are sure of making your first 100K online. This is guaranteed, like I said earlier, right? So this is actually simple to do. All right, so that will be all for this video. I never intended that this video would be too long up to this moment. If you gain any value from this and you really want to support my channel, just go ahead now, hit the subscribe button and also turn on the notification bell. If you have any question or any clarity, you need any clarity, use my comment section and I'll be there to answer you as soon as possible. I'll be seeing the subsequent video. Bye for now. Thank you.